Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today and I will be let's see what we have covered. In our last video, we have covered that inventory item. So basically, what we can say in items are very, very big chapter. So we'll go each item type wise. So in last video, we have seen the inventory item, how to create the inventory item, how to update the image on the inventory item. So in today's video, we'll see that serialized item. So serialized inventory item. Serialized inventory item is nothing, just it's a part of the inventory item. So serial when we're talking about serialized item bit different. So it is allowing to access that to track that based on serial number. So what actually the serialized item are tracked by serial number. So let's say have a definition. Look at this. Serialized inventory item are inventory product assigned to a unique serial number for tracking. So serial we have to provide that unique number, serial number. For example, laptop, mobile. For these size having that unique serial number. Based on that we can track, we can claim that in warranty period, we can repair, we can recall management, we can move to the service center, and we can repair that. Each item has a unique one unique serial number for from purchase to sale, from purchasing to selling to the customer. Key features of serialized item. Track each unit separately using a unique serial number used for warranty, repair, or recall management. Support multi-location inventory tracking. Requires serial number when receiving, selling, or transferring items. A step to create serialized item. Navigate. How to navigate to that serialized item places and where we can create. So go to list accounting setup. No, sorry, list accounting items new. So from that place we need to select that serialized item. Then we have to enter this provide at least minimum details like item name, number, description, best price, and costing method. And then we have to check the checkbox. So enable serial number for tracking. So check serialized option. Set requirement for purchase, sale, and fulfillment. After that, we have to select the uses. Let's go to that NetSuite. List navigation, list accounting item new. So from here, we have to identify where is serialized number. So just click on serialized item. So once it open, we can understand each field on that item record. Then we can analyze and we can define that item. What are the required field we need to fill up? What are the account we need to give? So whenever talking about serialized item, we can give the name. So iPad or iPhone something, iPad, a display name like iPad. We need to assign subsidiary on which subsidiary these items would be available. So I will make it available for all the subsidiary. So if you have image, then as usual you can upload your serialized item image, and unit we need to take select each. So for each item there will be a serial number for tracking purpose, and primary unit for each process is same for purchasing the item from vendor also as well. Stock level how we are maintaining for based on each item in the serialized item we have to maintain primary sale unit. Also for selling also we have same policy like each individual item we need to sell based on serial number and the item details. So select unit you use to sell this item to a customer on sales transaction. And if you want to make it available for some specific places like a department or location or classes, then you can just mention here. We can select the class A. If I will select class A, then this item will be available only for class A. Whenever we will raise a transaction, maybe invoice or sales order, and if you are using class A on that invoice or sales order, then only we can select this item. We can use this item to sell to the customer for that specific class or location or department. Or if we have like any vendor, we want to give access to only some particular vendor only, then we can give this vendor name or vendor. So just suppose for example company xyz my vendor, so for that vendor only I want to stock this item, just mention that name here, so that whenever I will read a purchase order, then this item will be appear for only those vendor. So this was that details overview details primary details. So now if you have any code like IP 0123, they see that type identification code for that serialized item. Now in the sales transaction we can mention that a description. In the description like what suppose any valuable meaningful name we can provide like serialized item. This is that this is iPad, MacBook Pro, my iPad, and heavy GOTI device, which can be used for gaming. So this is that the sales description. So say they will see that description. We can assign that price level. So for Indian, I'm working as, so also just we have to give the base price like 25,000. So base price in the sense the default price will be this. If we are not assigning any price, then for base price it will auto select 25,000 for each line item, because this base price works on the based on the line by quantity line order. So if we have any alternate price, then just give like 25,000. So we can give that option to our vendor, 23,000, 20,000. So here we can give that based on quantity discount, based on quantity level we can give the discount. So we will talk that later. Just now we can see how we can assign the price to the customer item level. So in the purchase level also, if you are purchasing from any vendor, then you can see here the purchase description, what is the use of that product, total value of their assets, costing method, a specific or average, a stock description. So enter up to 21 character to specific information about this item such as new or replacement or ships 2 to 3 days. So these are the details. So we need to select COGS account. Let's select that expense account, asset account, office expenses. Let's say if the item is taxable, just select that taxable. If not paying tax, just don't select that untaxable. Exchange rate variance accounts is not required. This is not mandatory. Select account to post variance in exchange rates associated with this item. These variants occur when there are exchange rate difference between the receipt and with the bill for the item. An item. After you select the variance, if this fails, you can select another account at a later date if you change in necessary account change or not date. Okay. So for the exchange rate, if you want to provide a additional add-on account, then you can select, and later on you can change that details. Right? So mostly important details we have provided. Now we can, what we can do, we can save this. Just review, ship individually. If you want to ship individually or deliver individual item based on uh, item, so you can select this. So it will work and ship individually. Yeah, that's it. I think we can save. We are good to save here. This will be our serialized item. How we can create serialized item. How you can use serialized item on that sales transaction or purchase transaction. This is also a part of inventory item. If we will go to the list, we can see this our newly created item. So in the filter drop down, we can select inventory item, and here we can select recently created. So here in the list, you can find that created item. So back to the channel now. So select the users type. Sales can be added on sales order, invoice, purchase. It can be added on purchase order, vendor will, purchase request, and so define pricing and accounting. Set best price for selling. Assign an expense account for cost tracking, cost account, and save this record. Use can where we can use for custom orders, digital product, office supplies, and consumables. So I think we have covered our next module, like next topic. What is that serial serialized item? Apart from that, in the so in this video we have seen a serialized item. So I hope I was some helpful for in this part. So that's it for the today. And in the next video we'll see that lot number inventory item, how to create, what is the use of, and where we can use lot number inventory item. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please put your comment and hit the bell icon button and subscribe my channel, and for the latest new NetSuite tips and tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.